Hello students, so in this chapter we'll learn about natural vegetation and wildlife. So in this natural vegetation and wildlife, you can see here some natural vegetation like tundra vegetation, under that Arctic tundra, Antarctic tundra. So what is tundra? So tundra region, actually you can see here, if you this type of vegetation found in Arctic, Antarctic and alpine region. It is very Arctic, Antarctic, as you know, the this one what our earth, north side, south side, this is Arctic region, this is Antarctic region here, south side. So here it's frigid zone, it's very cold, so here we get tundra vegetation. So under the tundra vegetation you can see one picture. These are the tundra animal, cold area, place, so cold, you can see here very fur and furry animal we get, okay. And here this is the tundra vegetation. Here is no big trees, mostly shrubs, sads, grasses, mosses, linces we find here in tundra region, okay. So here I have taken some video from our digital class. Other vegetation you can see the video and you can understand better. Watch the video.
Forests are vast areas covered with a variety of vegetation that teem with different life forms, making them truly interesting places. But not all forests are alike. Forests differ from each other based on the location, altitude, and climatic conditions. Forests located closer to the equator are termed as tropical forests, which are of two types: the tropical evergreen forests and tropical deciduous forests. Similarly, forests that are located in the temperate belt are known as the temperate forests, which are also of two types: temperate evergreen forests and temperate deciduous forests. The tropical evergreen forests have constant rainfall throughout the year. The climate is mostly hot and humid. These forests have a layered structure. The trees here are tall, with high branches and dense canopies. Thick vines climb up the trunks of these trees. As these forests are very dense, very little light reaches the ground, so there is little undergrowth. The tropical deciduous forests are found in regions that are warm and receive uneven rainfall. This is why they have only two layers: a canopy that comprises deciduous trees and a lower layer that comprises herbs and shrubs. This growth of herbs and shrubs is possible as sunlight can easily penetrate through the canopy to reach the forest floor. Temperate evergreen forests have moderate temperatures in summer with cool and wet winters. High precipitation comes in the form of rain or snow. The tall conifers are characteristic of the temperate evergreen forests. The tree species in this forest region are not too diverse. Moss and ferns grow on other plants. Temperate deciduous forests experience warm, wet summers and cold winters. Rainfall is moderate. These forests are characterized by shrubs and herbal plants that grow at the ground level. These herbs and shrubs are perennial in nature. The trees are characterized by thick bark to protect them from the cold. With respect to the forest floor, trees, leaves, and flowers. Select a feature from the drop-down menu. Look at these images. The two trees look quite different from each other. Can you guess why? It is because of the climate of the region they are found in. This tree is an olive tree found in the warm Mediterranean region. This is a pine tree found in the cold coniferous region. Both animals and plants show quite a few adaptations in order to survive and thrive in different climatic regions. The Mediterranean climatic zone stretches between 30 and 40 degrees both to the north and south of the equator. This climatic zone is largely found along the western or southwestern coasts of the continents. Much of California, parts of central Chile, southern Europe, North Africa, southwestern South Africa, sections of Central Asia, and parts of Western and South Australia experience this kind of climate. The Mediterranean region has hot, dry summers while the winters are cool and wet. Snowfall is rare. The plants and animals show various adaptations to survive in these conditions. First, let's look at the adaptations in plants. The hot, dry summers of the Mediterranean region make it prone to wildfires. So the roots of trees like the eucalyptus and oak have adapted to grow new shoots after such fires. Trees like cork oak develop thick bark to protect themselves from fires and drought. Leaves of the home oak are angled to avoid direct sun rays. Some root systems are doubly adapted to seek water. A taproot system goes deep underground while fine roots soak up surface moisture. Leaves of trees are tough and resistant to droughts. Their small size reduces water loss. Many plants, like the sagebrush, are aromatic, which helps to repel predators. This allows plants to avoid growing new leaves. Adaptations in the animal world are also frequently noticed. Many animals, like the owl, adapt to the Mediterranean heat by hunting at night. Hedgehogs